I told you it was going to brighten up over Horseshoe Beach down in Dixie County. There's a look. It's gloomy outside. You got a tropical storm approaching Horseshoe Beach in Dixie County and parts of Taylor County. That's where that landfall should be, right around the mouth of the Steenhatchee River. Outside right now, it's gloomy. Got rain starting to fill into that area. We're going to be talking all about Elsa as increasing rain coverage and wind speeds. That's in your forecast through sunrise into lunchtime. Elsa getting close to landfall. Should be later this morning with the highest local impact. Pretty much unchanged from what we've been talking about up and down the I-75 corridor, our eastern counties. Now look, winds finally starting to pick up down toward our coastal areas. They've been rather tame this morning. Even further inland, starting to see some more double digits up through Bainbridge, Thomasville, Perry, Cross City up to 15. Probably seeing those numbers down toward the coast, 30 to 40 miles per hour later with some stronger gusts. So let's time it out for you. Rain on radar, starting to spread inland. Jefferson County starting to see more of that rain. Madison along I-10, you got Taylor, Lafayette, Dixie County, and look down south, some heavy stuff. It looks like almost that rough outer eye wall starting to move in. Not really much of an eye wall. It is a weaker tropical storm, but some heavier rain. Something that we're watching really closely. Look at these tornado warnings that keep popping up off to our east, up and down I-75. Locally, if we get a tornado warning, we will be on air and online with you covering that tornado warning as long as it's in effect. The good news, they're weak, they're quick. These tropical spin-ups, they can happen in an instant, but they don't last that long. But again, tornado warning, we're on air with you. That one's close over toward Columbia County, but locally right now, nothing going. We got that outer tail of Elsa that continues to whip around. Good chance some of those rotating storms do make it into our coverage area. Elsa max winds at 65 miles per hour. A sloppy looking tropical storm should be making that landfall a little bit further west than we thought earlier and yesterday, right around the Dixie-Taylor County line later this morning. So that's where the strongest winds will be, right around the Steenhatchee area. Through the afternoon, Elsa moves north right up I-75. Our strongest winds, 30 to 40 miles per hour, likely right up and down I-75. Flood potential, 2 to 4, 3 to 5 inches of rainfall. You guessed it, right up I-75. Once you get west of Tallahassee, it's mostly just a rainy, breezy day. Those winds start to pick up by mid-morning, and again, sustained winds 30 to 40. Could be seeing some gusts in excess of 50, but Elsa should be weakening as it works inland. Once you get Tallahassee westward, 20, 25 miles per hour. And again, that's certainly windy. It's not going to be a nice day out, but it's not going to seem like a tropical storm is making landfall to our south. Elsa pulls away this evening. By the time the sun goes down, most of us seeing some calmer weather. So that's going to calm down for you. Again, one thing that is important for the rest of the day, although I don't think that we see anything strong or destructive with the tornadoes, there is potential for some tornadoes. So that is going to be up and down 75 where you've seen those warnings near Columbia County. We'll be on air with you if that happens. Through sunrise, increasing rain. It's going to be a soggy day. Have that rain gear. Be really careful out on the roads today, especially if any trees or power lines do go down. Make sure to report those and stay away from any live power lines on the ground. After today, forecast gets much easier to talk about. Typical summertime look. More sunshine, highs near 90 with pop-up showers and storms each and every afternoon. Welcome back when we're checking that radar look. You got a tornado warning up through Columbia County just south of Lake City. That is not our